The National Independent Electoral Commission (INEC) has declared Ademola Adeleke of the People's Democratic Party as the winner of the July 16 gubernatorial election in Osun State. Adeleke polled 403,371 votes to defeat the incumbent governor of the state, Oyetola, who polled 375,027 votes. The PDP candidate won the governorship election with 28,344 votes. Adeleke won 17 of the 30 local government areas in the state. Reacting to Adeleke's win, Oyetola said the All Progressive Congress has taken cognizance of the results of the governorship election as announced by INEC. The governor, however, noted that the party would be responding appropriately after studying the results and consulting with critical stakeholders of the party. Oyetola called on the supporters to remain calm and the people of the state to go about their businesses. The governor also called on security operatives to ensure maintenance of law and order. President Muhammadu Buhari has congratulated Osun State Governor-elect and People's Democratic Party candidate Senator Ademola Adeleke on his victory in the just concluded election. The APC chieftain says Buhari doesn't appear concerned if the party collapses under his watch. John Mayaki, a chieftain of the ruling All Progressive Congress in Edo State, has blamed President Muhammadu Buhari for the party's loss in the Osun gubernatorial election. Now, 40 days after the All Progressive Congress's special convention and presidential primary, President Buhari opened up on why he didn't endorse any presidential aspirant. Buhari said during the build-up to the party's primary, he was given a list of 30 aspirants to pick from. He added that most of the aspirants on the list were his cabinet members and state governors. Buhari said picking an aspirant from the list would affect the Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, who was also contesting to become the ruling party's flag bearer. The People's Democratic Party (PDP) Governors Forum has congratulated Senator Ademola Adeleke on his emergence as governor-elect of Osun. The chairman of the forum, Governor Aminu Tambuwa of Oyo State, in a statement described Adeleke's victory as a landslide and welcomed him to the forum. Laolu Akande, Senior Special Assistant to the President on Media and Publicity Office of the Vice President, had tweeted that Osinbajo was in the hospital for a surgical procedure. He said that the surgery was on account of a recurrent pain in the leg, possibly sustained from an injury while playing squash. Medics in the Duchess International Hospital, Ikeja, Lagos, afterwards confirmed that the procedure was successful. Reacting to the news, Nigerians went on social media to commend the Vice President's choice of a local hospital for a medical procedure and wished him a quick recovery. Bayo Lawal is already Governor Sheyi Makinde's running mate for the 2023 general election. Shortly after the impeachment of the former Deputy Governor of Oyo State, Ralph Olaniyan, the State Assembly approved the nomination of Bayo Lawal as the new Deputy Governor of the state. Do you think Buhari is the reason for APC's loss in Osun State?